Hi, do you know how to create a Google account?
No,
Do you want to know?
not really. No.
Good, because I'm telling you anyway. Creating a Google account is actually really easy and it only takes a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see a sign-in button. Click on that, and then choose Create Account. You'll be asked to type in your first name, and the last name is optional. So if you don't want to enter it, that's totally fine. Hit Next, and then enter your birthday and gender on the following screen. Next up, you get to pick your Gmail address. Google will give you a few suggestions, but if you'd rather use your own custom name, just click Create Your Own Gmail address and type whatever you like. Then, set a strong password, confirm it by typing it again, and click Next. Now, Google will ask you to add your phone number along with the country code. This is just for security, like recovering your account if you forget the password. You'll get a verification code on your phone. Just type that in and you're good to go. After that, you can also enter a backup email address if you want. It's optional but useful. Finally, you'll be shown Google's privacy and terms. Get a quick look, tap I agree, and you're done. Your new Gmail account is ready to use.